All right, Algebra Honors Unit 7 on polynomials. This is day 3. So for our day 3 notes, we're going to be dividing polynomials, but the warm-up is based on what we did last lesson. So our last lesson was multiplying polynomials. So we had 3 different methods. We used just distributive property, then we used FOIL as long as we were multiplying binomial times a binomial, and we used the box method. You can use whichever method you prefer, but you just want to be sure that your answer in the end is simplified and written in standard form. So I'm going to do, let's see, I suppose I'll just do distributive for this first one. It doesn't matter which method you choose though, so I'm going to distribute this first term to my second binomial, and then I'm going to distribute this second term, okay? So that my first term is x, and I'm going to distribute that times x plus 4, right? Then I'm going to distribute that, and I'm going to combine it with 2 times x plus 4. So I'm combining it with the second term multiplied across. Now I'll use distributive properties. So I have x times x is x squared, 4x. Here I have 2x. And 8. So I will combine like terms, 4x and 2x. I end up with x squared plus 6x plus 8. If you did that using FOIL, you would have x times x is x squared, outer is 4x, inner is 2x, and last is 8. And of course you can do that with box method. I'm going to do the third problem with box method since it has a trinomial, so I'll show you that again. Okay, I'm going to use FOIL for this second problem. It doesn't matter though. Again, you choose what works for you. FOIL, I'm going to do my first 2 terms. So I have a 3x times an x gives me 3x squared. Then my outer terms, 3x times negative 2 gives me negative 6x. Inner, negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And then last, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. I'm going to combine like terms, so I get 3x squared minus 10x plus 8 as my final answer. I do need to make sure I've got everything in standard form, and I do. There's only one variable, and I'm going in descending order, going down with the number on the exponent. I do like to have my constants last. Okay, this problem I'm going to set up with a box because I've got a trinomial. So I could do this one using distribution or using a box. I cannot use FOIL. So here's my box. And I'm going to put my trinomial up top just because that's how I set up my box. 2x squared minus x minus 4. My binomial is going to be coming down the side, x plus 5. And we multiply x times 2x squared, we get 2x cubed. X times negative x, we get negative of x squared. X times negative 4, I get negative 4x. And 5 times 2x squared is going to be 10x squared. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. And 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. I see that I have like terms in diagonals. So when I write my final answer, I'm going to go ahead and just choose the order to write my final answer. I'm going to make sure I'm in standard form, so I'm going to start with 2x cubed. 10x squared minus x squared is positive 9x squared, so plus 9x squared. Negative 5x minus 4x is negative 9x, and then minus 20. And that should be my final answer.